Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about why is worth investing in professional virtual data room. So guys, let's start. Transactional process have evolved tremendously over the years. They are currently held with the help of multitude of professional advisor, and the individual stage can be carried out in a digitized and dramatized from medium to large process rarely take place without the involvement of a professional virtual data room. Virtual data room is much more than a documentation repository for individual parties to a transaction or for advisors carrying out buy-side or sell-side due diligence. Virtual data room is tool that specific way manage the transactional process. It is there where the parties to the transaction communicate with each other. We only realize how important virtual data room is when it missing the process we participate in. Therefore, every advisor to the seller without expectation knowing this general truth, the selling party to invest in professional virtual data room transaction stays using virtual data room. It is important to remember that virtual data room is present at every stage of the transaction process, although of course it plays different roles in particular stage, the weight of which is not the same. At the initial stage, it is a place of communication between the seller and the buyer, thanks to which important transaction documents are exchanged between the parties. Non-binding offer, a letter, intent and information memorandum, or a primarily versions of SPA documentation. At the stage of when a potential investor is initially invited to the process and gets the green light to conduct the primarily due diligence or exclusive due diligence, virtual data room performs the functions of information exchange between the auditors and the target. At this stage, virtual data room plays a very important role because all communication takes place through it. What does all communication mean? At the very beginning, virtual data room open list and documents